Good morning class. Today we are going to start with the new chapter, that is surface area volume. So first we are going to revise the figures, the solid figures that we have studied in the ninth class. The first figure is cuboid, whose length is L, breadth is B and height is H. So first area is lateral surface area, sometime also known as area of four walls, given by 2 into H L plus B, or 2H L plus B. Then total surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Third is volume, length multiply breadth multiply height. The next figure that we have is cube. Cube whose edge is A. Lateral surface area means area of four walls is given by 4A square. Total surface area you already know, 6A square, and volume is given by A cube. The next figure that we are going to study is cylinder. If a cylinder, right circular cylinder of radius r and height h, curved surface area means area of this portion is given by 2 pi RH. Total surface area means this curved portion plus area of the top and area of the base. Area of top is circular, area of circle is pi r square plus area of the base is again pi r square. So it is given by 2 pi r h plus r. And volume, you already know volume is pi r square h. The next figure is cone. Curved surface area pi r l. What is L? L is the slant height. This height is known as L. Total surface area pi r l plus r. You already know how we got this, by adding this and the area of the base, that is pi r square. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. And sometime height is not given, so this slant height is not given. The formula for L is under root of h square plus r square. It is simply calculated by applying the Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle. Next is sphere. As you already know, sphere, a ball-like shape is known as a sphere. In sphere we don't have a curved surface area or total surface area, we only have surface area. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. If radius is already given r, volume 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Coming to the hemisphere, if I take a knife and chop down the sphere from the middle into two equal parts, then the curved surface area will be 2 pi r square. This area. Total surface area will be 2 pi r square, the curved surface area, plus when I am going to chop this, a new surface will be formed. What is the shape of this surface? Circle. So the area of circle will be added and it will become 3 pi r square. Volume. A complete sphere volume is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, and the volume of half sphere will be half of this, 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So this was the things that we have studied in ninth class already. Now in this class we are going to study the combination of solids. Today we are just discussing the basics of this chapter. Like you can see this shape. Can you tell me what combination is there? Which two shapes are combined in this? In the bottom we have a hemisphere, plus on the top we have, what shape is this? Cone. In this, what shape is there? A hemisphere and a cylinder. Means two hemispheres plus one cylinder. The third shape, here what we have? On the base, what we have, what we call this shape? A cylinder, plus on the top there is cone. Now in this chapter we are going to study what these shapes are all about. The question based on this shape means the combination of different solid shapes. We are going to study this thing in this chapter. Maybe there can be shapes, there can be the surface area, the total surface area, or the volume we are going to study in this chapter. So this was it for the day. Thank you.